ni vile sijui wazazi wangu. And I came here as a result of when Aciari.
Thengi muno mwiroreri wa Kururia TV ni jitagwo Jojo wa Kamau na ngwiraga ni kuka chonjo kama jonjo ndagikene holite kambi county ni ya Nyeri thiini wa town ya Uthaya na uko tukite ni undu wa Gasheni ka Mugithi kuria gakirereirwo thiini wa children's home iragitwo Bigomi Family Children's Home na guku niko tuguko tugitwarithia muturira wake wothe kuma aume guku na agie na ritwa inene guku bururi-ini ni thabari itagikoretwo ikiri huthu no tuko tukiigwa rugano ruru rwake ruothe uria akigirire thiini wa children's home no uria akireretwo gakuhoya mwiroreri wa Kururia TV witikire guturana nani tugithikiriria rugano ruru rwa Gasheni ka Mugithi. Horo waku Gasheni?
Mwega feo.
Uko salama? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Nitwakena muno ni gutwita guku mwena Uthaya na guku heho niyo nyingi.
Nyeri kuhana gogo at times.
Nigo nginya nigire kahoma no hatikire na thina.
Wenda kuga kwanyu ti Nyeri.
Itu no Murang'a. Kikuthoma ni kudathomeire Nyeri.
Nyeri kuna baridi at times and tunakubali tu.
So Christmas yako iko aje?
Christmas yangu iko fiti. Mwake ni hijack demushe. Niko hivyo. I'm good. I'm having fun. I'm at home. This is where I grew up and this is my best place.
Kuri mwiroreri urahi urerorera ri no mwire guku gwitagwo atia na ni mwena uriku?
Guku gwitagwo Bigomi Children's Home. Ni mwena wa Uthaya, Nyeri. Ngoreire guku. That's why aria angi magithii kuri aciari ao ri ona ni guku tokwo mucii so nikio ndi guku. Yes.
So gitumia kuri ihigia guka guku aciari aku nikimekire nigo wikore guku thiini wa children's home?
Ndokire guku day 12 iva oko ndihetitie muno ndokire day 12. Mimi sio orphan like orphan. Ni vile sijui wazazi wangu. And I came here as a result of when Aciari no matirehota. Yes. Yes.
Koguo niwe werehire kana niwe guku magwikire ati makugirire?
Ndarehirwo ni mutumia ciana ciake cie guku na ciari guku hindi yo so niwe wandehire akira my aunt handu ha mwana uyu age guthoma kikirihe na handu ndingimutwara kuria ciana ciakwa ciri so mutumia ucio niwe wandehire guku. Yes.
Now we ugikura ri niwe onaga being a star one day?
I'm not yet a star.
But you said you're the queen.
Yeah, that point is there. But I'm not yet there, and every day is a journey, and we are still working towards it. And we dream every day. At a size in I have big dreams, I have goals. So at a size in out. Yes, I will respond that way.
And na tondu guku ndirona kwina ciana nyingi muno na ndirona ginya kwina andu hihi makiumite guku na magathi na magoka gucera especially maburu ma Christmas ri. How was the situation we gukorwo gikorera thiini wa children's home?
Kila kitu haikwangi smooth. Doria maturerete mena ciana 74. Ithuothe ni turenda kwendwo. Ithuothe nturenda kuheo that love na no maremwo ni gutuhe ithuothe no amenya. So at times it's challenging, but I always say it's the best thing that happened to me. Tondu haha ni ndahotire guthoma music wise ciana ciothe hakuhi ciothe ni cinaga almost wote. Yeah, so music wise ata kimziki I grew so much music wise hapa. Yeah.
What kept you niki kia mwigaga muri hamwe inyumita hindire wari gukuri inyumita ciana cia children's home?
I would say love. Sisi tunapendana, tunachungana. That's why hata nikienda wapi George, unajua si lazima ningekuja hapa. I had places to go, but the love that I'm connected with my brothers and sisters, I have to be here. Na kuna wengine pia wametoka mbali wakakuja bado. So I would say it's love. hatukupendwa na wazazi wetu ama watu wetu, so tukikuja hapa tunapeana ile yenye hatukupewa. So I would say it's love. Yeah.
How is the experience now that you have a name outside and people knows you? Yeah. Na we gukui maybe experience ya guku na outside now ni different. How is the feeling na experience hana ate?
It's growth. Hata wewe saizi hauko kwenu. Uria wari kwanyu na riria waumire, there is a difference that came in. So goko ndiraheo irio cia bure, nyumba ni bure, debt ya matano ganeo. So when it's outside, everything it's about me. I have to do it myself. So I don't know what to tell you, but things have to change kwa mtoto yoyote. Hakuna difference ati jumini wa children. So mgutiri uduse jagia. No uria onawe we kwanyu. Na niye guku ni kuo gwito. So dauma no torio nawe okuma kwanyu uthie wethe ugacoka. Ona ni ndiagithire ngetha na ngicoka. That's it. Ona ritwa Gasheni rinenehe atia, I am still Mr. and Mrs. Muthondeki's daughter. Yes.
Na what is the biggest reason ile uthomete gukorwo gikorera thini wa children's home?
Number 1, humbleness. Number 2, I fear God a lot. Because ndakorire na foundation ya kwenda Ngai, kwenyihiria Ngai, waga kindu no Ngai ungetia, cause kwa kuna donors. So ukakosa kitu ni Mungu tu naitisha. Kwani unanichapa? Sasa kwani umenichapa baba? Kuja usalimie. Waga kindu no Ngai ungetia. Yes.
Na kidogo
tuthondeke.
Na riu tugwika nako na riu tondu ni ukoretwo na hihi na nyimbo ukoretwo kiruta ri guku andu makomukagira na njira iriku hindi iria oka ni magukenagirira hindi maraigua umite guku and your name is still doing well outside?
Blessing yangu ama blessing ya mtoto mwingine yote ametoka hapa ni blessing yetu. So if I go outside there na Mungu anibariki, and God knows that I pray that he blesses me for this home, not for myself Jonjo. Mimi ni hoyaga Ngai andu makoyo guo. Ni hoyaga Ngai andathime ni undu wa kundu guku. Ndingikorwo no hoti wa kwararamia muci uyu ukorwo na ati no hold capacity ya ciana 100 plus, I can do it. Tondu kwina andu aingi marenda guteithio guo ndateithirio no matiateithikire. So yes, they're happy for me, and I'm also happy for the others who have made it, because kwina angi magithomete na marina mawira mega. I'm happy for them.
Nirika kuruta rwimbo ica ikuhi no twende utuhutirie o hanini kaya tuthiite na mbere.
Ngamuhutiria tuma na hau nja guku ni kwa muhunjia.
On that point ureri guku giko Cristiano fiu no waumira na waumira hare gate-ini tuonaga nyimbo cia kunyingi ni cia Mugithi. Your dad ni akuhega that support despite gukorwo nyimbo irio raina?
My dad okay, Ngai gikuyu kiurire twarerirwo twi atiriri, kila mtu akona choice. Ngurerete o, you know the truth. So onawe no ushagure uria ukwenda gwika. So ni atuhete choice. O niguo ndimurerete, you know the truth, go do your thing. And he supports me, because at the end of the day mwana ni mwana waku, ona agithie ku ndatiga gutwika mwana waku. Yeah. No,
Gasheni tutingiuma utatuhutirie wanje ndukuhutia Mugithi gitu ni gospel. Tondu ithi tukuiki music ari muno tuine
na rwimbo
chorus imwe tu
takire njira ruria kuina
kwendete gukwira umuthirio
atajira
no ndi he rwimbo rwa gospel wendete kuina muno wanjirire muinaga guku muno mwi
turia nini no to
ina what ya
no na hau ajuri ogwo ukojoya ka video gina na ciana ufixi hau
sawa
yangu yafike kwako uliyobondeka utadhara haja yangu, nifanane nawe, nifanane nawe. Maombi yangu yafike kwako, moyo uliombondeka utadharau. Ni kiu yangu, ni haja yangu, nifanane nawe, nifanane nawe. Nifanye kama wewe, unifinyange, unifinyange. Wakinitazama kuone wewe, unifinyange, unifinyange.
Haya, Gasheni isha ikuhe nduko tukiona oge perform biggest stages kundu nginya onaye mwenyewe ni joy hihi wecirege ndugakinya so far gukoro kinira andu na andu maka appreciate kiri oreka thini wa stage ri how is the feeling?
Humbled. I feel humbled. Kuna andu aingi maraina namwe matirona opportunity icio no amenya. I just feel humbled. And I thank God every moment. At times vitu Mungu anatupea hatu deserve. And yeah, I'm just humbled and I love my fans. Tondu my fans akwa niyo ginya matumagarimwe ona mundu atakwenda thie that big stage. My fans no magugutwara hau. Yeah, so I feel humbled. Yeah.
Na kuri mundu urenda guka hi gukorwo gikinya gikaro gikiri no welcome kana no anytime na hihi agenda guka gukuri agi makinyita ate?
Ogenda guka gukuri, it is open. You're free to come anytime, any day. Come with what you have, clothes, foods. Come support a kid guthoma tudukutire sponsors. Okay. So no unyitirire mwana umwe mathomo make ginya high school kana ginya college campus. Yeah, just come be a partaker and in case you want to reach my todoni dikere kuona makihuragire my dad thimo. Namba yake ikoragwo 0723 57 47 54. Again 0723 57 47 54. Hiyo ni namba ya babangu. For anybody who wants to come, give him a call. Yes. 2023
niwe no ikinyire. Nitra, do you expect dramas? Music? Music?
You can answer. Do I have drama? I don't have drama.
Niki kinene turegede kumakuru 2023.
2023 growth. Simply growth. Yes.
Kogo new music every day.
Growth in terms of agikoro mwaka uyu ndiraruta rwimbo rumwe mwerire. Next year itakuwa nyimbo igire mweri. That is growth. Agikoro ndirainaga irafu inya weekend ri tukongerera igire. That is growth. So it's I just want to grow. Yeah, and learn new things. Yeah.
Tukirikia nikiuria ndiroria o mundu wothe ndireka interview mamburi-ini ma mwaka kana mwaka ugithira. Kaundu kamwe Ngai egwikire mwaka uyu ni kariku?
Mungu tu amenifanyia vitu mingi. I'm a living testimony. I'm a standing testimony that God has done everything. Hata nika point moja tu hivi ona Ngai no arakare because he has done so much for me. I don't know, but so much for me and I am thankful. But to be particular in the journey of music, Mungu ametembea sana na mimi. Sana. Yeah.
Na itutarekereirie fio ri ndarora guku no twende kumenya ni ciana age iria aria makoragwo guku ni age iriku?
Kuna twana tunini kuma miaka 3 kuma miaka 3 nginya 21 22 yeah.
Na nĩ ciana hihi arĩa matigĩtwo nĩ orphans kana nginya kũrĩ andũ hihi mena thĩna ũngĩ nĩo marehetwo gũkũ kana nĩ ciana irĩkũ cikoragwo thĩinĩ wa gĩikaro gĩkĩ?
Kwĩna orphans, kwĩna destitute kids, ndiyo kana ndauga wega, ciana iria citeagwo borithi makamarehe gũkũ. Na acio destitute nĩ ciana iria mena aciari no aciari matirehota. Na rĩu ciana iria nĩ ũthire wakora mwana na ubara wa mũtwara borithi amũrehe gũkũ. Yes.
Now biggest challenge ĩrĩa ĩrĩ thĩinĩ wa children's home ĩno nĩ ĩrĩkũ?
School fees. I think my dad struggles a lot with school fees. To mũndũ wothe oka haha rĩ, watu wali-interplate hii kitu na maũndũ maingĩ. Kwĩ mũndũ kuona children's home tarĩ biashara, ũngĩone tarĩ kĩrĩa. So mũndũ aka-prefer kabarehe mũtu, mbembe, mboco, kĩndũ amenya mwana nĩ akũrĩa, handũ ha gũka ũnengere mũthuri ũcio mbeca. But I feel you can always support school fees. Yeah.
Your message to your fans na ndoroma kũnyitĩrĩire na your message to 2023 nĩ ĩrĩkũ?
My message to my fans, ninawapenda sana sana sana. God knows I love you so much, and thank you for supporting me. Thank you for also supporting DJ Fato ndo anikubali. Unajua kama mngemwambia I'm not worth it pia yange. Asanteni sana unajua. And 2023 it's going to be a big year for me and for you my viewers, and may God bless you 2023. Hata nyinyi plan bigger things. It said that many are the plans of men, but it's only God plan that prevail. So no ginya tufage na kiarehe mufago wake ugashire. Yeah, that's it.
Everywhere social media Gasheni ka Mugithi.
IG, Facebook, TikTok, kodo guothe ni Gasheni. Yes.
Santo akena muno na tacukie ngatho cia mwanya na nitwetereire nyimbo nyingi muno. From the Queen.
Ani meona rehekiria haha.
Aya, thank you muno mũroreri wa Kuroria TV. Tugukinya hau muthenya ũmũthĩ ni njitagwo Jojo Kamau. Tuguku mwena wa Uthaya kuria Gasheni ka Mugithi agĩkũrĩire thĩinĩ wa children's home ĩno ĩragitwo
Biwomi Children's Home.
Biwomi Children's Home. We uri hau uiguaga no hote guteithia, we uri hau uiguaga no tabluki guko gwatha itikira gukorwo kimacerera haha muno Gasheni auga school fees ni makire thina nayo. Wena ciringi yaku ciringi igiri ni gukorwo ukimakinyukithia ikinya ringi mbere thiini wa muturira wao. Ni ciana hihi andu aciari ao matoe kuria mathire no dadu wa guka na muthuri wa gikero giki agatacuki ikinya gukorwo akimateithiriria. Ni njitagwo Jojo Kamau. Until next time, bye bye. Peace.